This is a short tutorial video on how to set up your taskbar on your Surface Pro 3. To begin, once we have logged in to the Surface Pro, it's going to bring you either to your desktop screen or your start screen. The start screen looks like this. In order to get to the start screen, you would access the right border of the tablet and hit the Windows icon. That will draw you right back to the start screen. First, let me get back to the desktop so I can unpin any program that I have previously put on my taskbar. I'll tap on the desktop icon and that will bring me back to my desktop. Now I happen to have my taskbar on the left pane, the left side of my tablet. This works better for me, and I'll show you later in the video how to adjust or move around the screen your taskbar. But as I hover over the black border, you'll see all the programs that I have pinned to my taskbar. I'm going to go ahead and remove all of them. In order to remove a program from the taskbar, hover over it till you get a circle. When the circle shows up, it's going to say unpin, and it's going to give you several choices. The one I'm going to choose is unpin this program. So I'll go ahead and unpin all these from my taskbar. Okay. Now my taskbar, you can see, is completely void except for the two programs that I'm currently running in the background. So in order to pin programs to there, we're going to go back to the start screen on Windows 8.1 by hitting the Microsoft icon on the right border of the tablet. That's going to take you back to the start screen. My start screen is all set up with the different applications that I want to have pinned there. I can grab them directly from here and put them on my taskbar, or I can grab them from the app library that's located below there. We're going to show you both ways to do the pinning. First thing you're going to do is find the one you want to pin to your taskbar. Hover over it till a circle appears. Release the circle and hit pin to taskbar. That is now put it on the taskbar. In order to confirm this, I'll go back to the desktop, hover over the left pane, and you'll see there's my Microsoft Outlook pin or marker. Now we'll go back to the start screen and grab a couple more programs. I can also, like I said, grab them off of the lineup of apps by name. Now to find the other ones that we commonly would be using in the field, I'll go down here to, we already grabbed Outlook 2013. I'm going to grab OneNote because I use that quite frequently. Hover over it till the circle appears, pin to taskbar. Another one that I use is Word. So we'll find Word 2013. Hover over it till the circle appears, pin to taskbar. I also use Internet Explorer. That's found over here in the first part of apps, Internet Explorer. Hover over it, pin to taskbar. And lastly, I'll go ahead and get Dropbox. See if I can find where that is. There's Dropbox. Hover over it, circle appears, pin to taskbar. Now when I go back to my desktop and hover over my taskbar, you'll see all those programs are now pinned to my taskbar. As I mentioned earlier, my taskbar is located on the left pane of my tablet screen. Some of you may have defaulted it to the bottom, and I just quickly moved it to the bottom by holding on it and pulling it down to the bottom. Maybe the right side of the tablet screen works best for you. Hold on it, move it to the right. The top is also a place that you can put that taskbar, but it does not tend to work that effectively at the top. In my case, because I'm left-handed, I tend to like it on the left side of the taskbar, of the screen. Now, as I mentioned, I'm left-handed. One of the other problems that I encountered with working with a writable screen and a pen was that pop-up windows tend to be covered by my hand. But the Surface Pro 3 is also capable of having the pen identify the hand that you're using when holding or writing on the screen. And you can also change that if you're left-handed like me. It defaults to right, but you can change it to left. And just so you know what the difference is, I'll hover over the Google icon till the circle appears, and you'll notice that the menu that pops up to the right of where that circle was. See how it popped up to the right? Okay? That works out for a left-handed person because the script is then not covered by my hand. Now, in order to change this, if this is indeed what you would prefer, you come over to the right side of the tablet screen, pull it open, tap on the search. In the search field, type in hand, H-A-N-D. Specify which hand you write with pops up in the drop-down menus. You're going to click on that, and you can see mine's already pre-selected for left hand. We'll switch it to right just so you can see the difference. Once you've clicked right, hit apply. That will then configure that. Hit OK. Now I'll go back to the same Google icon, hover over it, and you'll see that the pop-up window then shows to the left of the circle, thus preventing, if I was right-handed, it being covered by my hand. And again, we'll do it one more time. Hover over it. Hover over it. It'll pop up to the right. Now, to go back through, I'm going to change it back to my left-handedness. Hand. Specify which hand. Left hand. Make sure you hit apply, then hit OK. Hover over it. See how it opens up to the left? To the right, I'm sorry, of my hand, because I'm left-handed, and it makes those pop-up windows easier to read. Well, I hope these couple tricks have helped you use the Surface Pro 3 a little bit more effectively. Thank you for watching.